Alright, wow, right here my friend, look at this. Okay, so beautiful car here. Okay, let's go. And then, well, this is so muddy my friend. Look at this. Okay, let's see. Well, how about this one my friend? What do you think of this my friend? This is a green color rally car my friend. See? Okay, stay there. Rally car. How about this one my friend? This is kind of a aeroplane my friend. Yes. Amazing, an aeroplane my friend. We are going to fly. Okay, so good my friend. Well, how about this one my friend? Okay, let's see. Alright, this one is dump truck my friend. Dump truck just now. And this one, what is this my friend? Cleaning up my friend. Okay, this is a loader. Look at this, so strong my friend. Okay, stay here. And this one, what is this my friend? Wow, this is a dump truck my friend, mining. Okay, very nice. This one is a NASCAR my friend. Okay, stay there. Wow, this is minibus Tayo. Beautiful Tayo my friend. Okay, and this one, what is this my friend? This is kind of a Molen truck my friend. What is this my friend? This is a long chassis truck my friend. Okay, look at this. Very nice truck and so strong my friend. Wow, well, what is this my friend? Okay, this is a huge truck my friend. Look at this. Okay, huge truck. Well, alright, and how about this one my friend? Tada! This is a double cabin.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots on.
So good. Very nice. What do you think of this? Wow, amazing. This is McQueen, my friend.
Yeah. No, not really. But listen, I'm Lightning McQueen, the famous race car. I'm being held.
Lighting McQueen. Okay, me queen stay together here. Look at this. And this is the same color. What is this? This one minibus Tayo. Okay, stay there Tayo. Wow, this is police car, my friend. Look at this. This is a police car. Okay, stay there. Police car. Check this out, my friend. What is this? Okay, this is fire rescue. Well, very nice fire rescue, my friend. Okay, stay there. Oh, what is this? This is kind of. What is this? This is what is this? This is snow tractor. Alright, stay here. And how about this one, my friend? Well, Tayo.
The garage garden.
Really? I can do that?
Of course.
Minibus Tayo, my friend. How about this one? Alright, compactor, my friend. So cool, my friend. Well, compactor. Okay, the last one, my friend. What is this? Ta-da! Yellow color. Sport car. Right, all done, my friend. See, clean already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.